Hey you guys, it's Nikki again with George Morales Dove Springs Recreation Center. Today we're going to show you how to make your own Mancala boards. And this idea is coming from mybaba.com. That's where we got that idea to make those. Alright, so to start you're going to need 2 sheets of cardstock paper. If you don't have cardstock, regular paper is fine. The cardstock is just a little heavier duty, so that maybe it'll last a little bit longer for you. You're going to need a ruler, a black sharpie, a pencil, crayons to decorate your Mancala board, and then you can use beads, pebbles, smooth little river rocks, bingo chips, whatever you have for the little playing stones that you'll need. The finished product will look like this. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to get your 2 pieces of cardstock and you're going to tape it, just overlap it slightly by about 1 inch and tape it on the back so that they'll stay together for you, so you have your long board. You're going to measure out about 2 inches on each end, and that is the player's little end zone for the scoring. So we've got our 2-inch line. I did it with pencil first, and now I'm going to mark it with a black Sharpie so that it's more noticeable. Alright, then what you want to do is draw a line right in the center of your playing board, and that ends up being about 4 1/4 inches. It kind of depends on the paper you're using, but for this one it was 4 1/4. Alright, then I went and made about 3-inch lines on both sides of the long pieces of the paper, because those are going to be your little playing pits that the pebbles and stuff get put into. And you need 6 of those, and mine ended up being about 3 inches each. Alright, so there you have your blank Mancala board that you just created, and you can decorate it however you want. And I'll show you the final that we have again. Miss Teresa, our fabulous artist, colored and designed this one for me. So you can design it how you want that fits you, and make sure you can label player 1 side and player 2 so there's no confusion on whose side is whose. And that's it. Thanks for joining us.